everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Well, I received Happy Mail today from Purposely Crafting the Divine Intervention, Janiva. Thank you so much. And there is a card. It was attached to the back and I removed it so I didn't have to fiddle with it during video, but thank you so much. This little package has given us some trouble, but it finally made it, and I have it here, and it says Easter's on its way. Such beautiful packaging. She's so neat. So I did open this part just so I will be able to pull it out. So slide it out like so, and then I took this off so I can slide it as well. So it's kind of some sort of fabric-y type of material. Such a pretty color too, pink. Thank you for that. But I did take this part off, but I didn't do this right here. I didn't cut that. So, but it looks like I can just like remove it. So the card, look at how neat she is. She just, the presentation is so nice. So here's the card. And she says, oh, thank you so much, Janiva. Oh my goodness. You're very welcome. Yeah, you guys, if you guys want to check her out, I'm going to have her linked below, but she has such a nice card here. I appreciate it so much. Such positive things that she said. I thank you so much. And I will show you her right here. This is her info right there. She's on YouTube and Instagram. Thank you so much, Janiva. Okay, let's go ahead and get in. What is this? Look at this. This is some sort, oh, it's daytime, you guys. Do you hear the ice cream man? You'll hear my kids. So lots of noise going on, but wow, look at this. This is some sort of like cotton material right here, almost like batting. Yeah, but look at this. Oh my goodness, look at all this. How beautiful does all this look? I can't wait to get into this. So she did say that there is a video for me to watch it, and I began to watch it, but then I was like, no, I'm not gonna watch it, because we thought this package was gonna be sent back to her and or lost. We had no idea what was happening, but I started to watch it and I was able to see this right here. She made me a pokey tool, you guys. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this. I seen this on Serenity's Creations, and oh my goodness, look at this, you guys. Wow. So I was looking at her video and I was like, no, I'm clicking off. So I clicked off because I knew she wanted to surprise me. But look how beautiful this is. Look at it, has a bee. Look at, oh my goodness, this is beautiful, Janiva. Oh my goodness, how thoughtful, how beautiful is this? This I am keeping for a long time. It has a little Easter bunny too. I love the colors. Such a beautiful pokey tool. And this thing is sharp, you guys, be careful. Okay. So such a beautiful thing. I love this so much. Thank you. Okay, so we got to see the inside, so I'm going to put it to the side and we will just start digging in. Such a pretty little box. She took her time and she set everything up so neatly and nicely. And look at this little bunny. I didn't get a chance, but wow, did you decorate it like this? It's so pretty. I'm gonna look down here. Okay, it might be little bunny. It looks like there's an egg there. So I'm not sure if she made it or it came like that, but so cute. Okay, there's that right there. Oh my God. Okay, I love Happy Mail. Oh my goodness. And she made such beautiful things. Look at these daisies. How pretty are these? I love the white, and then I love the center, how she did it with sequins. So pretty. And look at the back. So pretty. These are beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much for that. And the next, oh, these embellishments are so cute. It's a little coffee cup with a bunny rabbit. And look at that bow. This is cute. Such a cute little embellishment. I really need to work on my embellishments. I'm limited on embellishments, so I need to start working on that. But that is so pretty, you guys. All the flowers that are in here, everything looks so beautiful. I can't get enough of this. So she also sends some button covers, and I just love this. Now I need to go get some fabric so I can make some buttons with these. Daiso, they're from Daiso. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, that's gonna make projects look so pretty. Next is, oh, look at this, some lace stickers. This is gonna go so well with journaling. Oh my goodness, how beautiful is that, you guys? That is pretty. I love this. Wow, Daiso has the most amazing things. That is nice. I love that. Now let's, it's so hard to see what to get. Oh, everything looks beautiful. Everything's so springy. And then she made some rosettes, and look at these rosettes. I love them. Let's see if I could get into it. Nope, I can't get into it. And it's in this like spring little baggie. So pretty. All the beautiful colors. Oh my goodness. This right here gives me all the heart eyes. All the pretty pastels. Oh my goodness. And the next is this. It's like ruffle trim. Oh my goodness. And the... Oh. Janiva, thank you so much. You said like all the beautiful things, the most beautiful things, and you made the most beautiful things. Look how beautiful this is, you guys. Oh, I can't get enough. Next is this little pouch, and I love this color with the gold. She knows me. You definitely know me. I was looking for my scissors. Let's see if I could get into this. Oh, this paper is so beautiful. I need some of this paper. But this is so thoughtful. I can't say thank you enough. I'm so glad that it arrived. I'm so glad that my post office has been acting up lately. But look at this. Oh, I love this paper. And then she sent some brad pins. These are brad pins. Look at these. I love these. This is gonna go with all heart. I love that. Little brad pins from Daiso. Thank you so much. Thank you for that. Okay, next is, oh, look at this. A little bag, and it is, I think it's a mason jar bag, it looks like. Wow, look at the color. You got me on the color, girl. You really did. Hopefully I can call you girl. I use girl for everything. It doesn't matter. I will be 80 years old and still be calling people girl. But look at this. I love these bags. Look how beautiful these bags are. I love them. And then they come with the paper. I think oh, these are stickers. So you just tie it, I guess. Tie it on the top maybe. Yeah, it's a mason jar. Oh, I love these bags. Thank you for that. I'm gonna put that right there. Oh my goodness, this little box contains so much, and look what she made here. A little treasure box, and with bees, you guys. Oh, bees are making a comeback. They are. I'm so glad that they are, because I get to enjoy more of them. Everyone is going to be having bees in their projects. What's gonna make me so happy, brings me joy. It brings me joy. But look at this little treasure box, and it's bees with the black and the gold. And this latch right here. Open it and let's see what's in here. Ooh la la, what is this? We have some beautiful pink bows. Beautiful pink bows, you guys. I love that. I love the presentation. I love the colors. Oh, I can't get over this color. And she has a sequence and she has more bows in here. This is such a neat way to send bows too. And these are felt. Some felt bows, what are beautiful, because I'm definitely going to use and hoard at the same time, because I do that. I hoard it forever. And sequence mix, you guys. Look at this sequence mix. So pretty. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful, Janiva. This is so beautiful. I love everything you've done here. I love it. Look at this, some more sequins of the same. And then she has some felt, more felt bows in white and mint. Beautiful little presentation. And she has it in this little box right here. How beautiful is this? I love it. I love it. Thank you so much. And look at the inside is lined with gold. Look at the time that she took on this. So pretty. This is such a little cute little treasure box, and it definitely has treasures in it. And then in here she has just a bunch of flowers. These are foam flowers that are just floating around, which made everything look so much more spring-like. And oh, this is such a beautiful little box. Okay, next is this right here, a mason jar. And look how springy this looks. She has a bow right here. The yellow on the top, such spring vibes. And in it, I see cute little flowers. Oh my goodness. Did you make these? Look at these flowers. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna tip it over, gently shake it. Let's get these flowers out of here. Look how beautiful these are. Such beautiful spring flowers. Oh my goodness. This would have looked really beautiful in my wheelbarrow that I made. Oh, I would have loved these. I would have loved these. So it's the next day it's the same day that I posted my wheelbarrow video, and so I was able to get into this, finally able. But look at these flowers. I love these. Look how beautiful, springy. Oh, this is beautiful. Thank you so much for taking your time to make all this and send it to me at that. And not only that, it got lost and we finally figured it out. Well, my post office, oh my goodness, they're terrible right now. I don't know what's wrong with them, but they have been really terrible lately. But hopefully everything will change. But oh my goodness, this was such a beautiful little jar. I absolutely love that. Okay, you guys, we are not done. There's still so much in here. Look at this paper. Tissue paper is so pretty. Let's get into this. I just want to rip it open like on Christmas morning. Okay, let's go ahead and see. Oh, look at this. She got me some bees. I love this. I really need to make a bee journal. All of these bees would look so beautiful. And I really need to do that. I'm going to do that very soon. And oh my God, look at this. I love this shaker sticker, and I love this, like, it's a glittery sticker from Hobby Lobby. How pretty. You guys, look at that. I'm telling you, bees are making a comeback, and I'm all for it. You guys, almost done, but there's more. She sent this right here. It says die cut zipper bags. Oh my goodness. You have the best Daiso. Look at these bags that are at your Daiso. Oh my goodness. I am collecting a collection of Daisos now. I have a little collection going. Look at these. 3 penguins. And then this right here. Ice cream. Look at the, oh, look at that, you guys. Wow. And then this one right here. There's a few. And then this one right here says like express, handle with care. How cute is that? And then this one right here is like Easter. So pretty. This is the one that one of her rosettes came in. But so pretty. Thank you so much for that. Next we have, wow, you guys, I think this is the last one. Let me check. Yes, it is the last one. This was so beautiful. And then next is this, and I do not have these bags right here. My goodness, you guys that have Daiso are so lucky. Look at this, you guys. This is a nice pastel pink, and it says, "This is a feast that's delicious." How pretty is this? Imagine getting something in this little pastel bag. Oh, my heart is fluttering, seriously. I love this. Everything in here was like a birthday for me. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Janiva. Oh, thank you so much. I love this. Everything is so beautiful. Everything is just beautiful, but I think my favorite, my absolute favorite are your flowers that you made and this pokey toy, you guys. Oh my goodness, you guys have to check out Serenity Creations. Okay, my camera died again, but here I was saying you guys have to check out Serenity Creations because someone gifted her this and then she came up with the video, and yeah, these are beautiful, you guys. You guys have to make one of these. It's so beautiful. Yeah, thank you so much for this. This is so beautiful. Your flowers are beautiful, and your rosettes, and I love all the store-bought items. So beautiful. And not to mention your cute little embellishments. How cute is that, you guys? So cute. I love it, you guys. Oh my goodness. Check her out. I will have her linked below. And thank you so much, Janiva. I appreciate you so much. And I'm so glad this package arrived because it's so beautiful. And all the time that you took, I can't believe you did this for me. And I appreciate it so much. Thank you so much. And hopefully you guys like that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.